Number 2, 5.3 quiz. Find the area of each figure. Explain how you manipulated each figure, where you cut or doubled to calculate the area. So this is a trapezoid. So what I was expecting you to do was to double this figure by completing it on the right, but repeating exactly what it has there. Oops, that's a triangle, not another trapezoid. You needed to draw another trapezoid to complete the figure. This would now be 15 from this short end, and then 45 for this long end, and then 45 would transfer here, making this a complete rectangle with these two different bases completing one another. And the height would still be 10 on the right. So to calculate the area of this figure, you would take area of 15 plus 45 multiply by the height and divide it by 2. So when you have that, that would be 60 times 10 divided by 2. 600 divided by 2 gets you 300. I'm going to have to shrink that up so that we can show the work for number 4 later. How did you calculate the area of this figure? This is just one way. Many of you may have done it a little differently. I think some of you may have cut it into a triangle here and double just this part while calculating for this rectangle here. You could have done it that way too, but since I did it this way, I'm going to go ahead and explain it right here the way that I just did it. I said I doubled the trapezoid and flipped it to complete it as a rectangle. Again, I'm going to have to shrink this. Then, after calculating for the area, I divided it in half. And that should be sufficient. I hope that helps.